Hello, I'm Chang, New Skin Enterprises Chief Scientific Officer, and I'm here to talk to you about our latest skincare innovation, ageLOC Boost, and the truly remarkable results that we have seen in our scientific studies. Now, this breakthrough beauty device uses two key components. First, a new patent-pending microcurrent that's called variable pulse microcurrent technology. And second, a conductive topical gel that's called activating serum, which is packed with potent skin beneficial ingredients. Together, the device and activating serum makes the skin look healthier, and it literally glows. In other words, the skin has noticeably increased bounce, plumpness, brightness, smoothness, firmness, and softness, all features of healthy, useful skin. Another significant benefit is a reduction in pore visibility, which is so exciting because everyone desires smaller pores. It is worth noting that ageLOC Boost has gone through years of extensive scientific research, including human clinical testing. We commissioned an independent clinic to conduct a study on many individuals. This female group of 25 to 40 years old was a critically important part of the study because we wanted to know whether ageLOC Boost is effective for many age groups. The testing results show that whether you're a millennial or a baby boomer, ageLOC Boost works just as well. Let me quickly go over the details of the study. The lab evaluated 32 females, 25 to 40 years old, who used ageLOC Boost and activating serum once a day for 12 weeks. Their skin was then evaluated at different time points, at the beginning and then at weeks 1, 2, 4, 8, and 12. Here are the incredible results. At week 1, the expert clinical grader saw significant improvements in key areas of bounce, plumpness, brightness, pore visibility, smoothness, firmness, and softness. And there is steady progression of improvements at week 2, week 4, week 8, and finally at week 12. Now look at these truly impressive before and after images. If you look at subject number 1, you'll see increased brightness in her skin at week 12. Similarly, the skin in subject number 4 looks brighter and exhibits more smoothness and bounce. Finally, subject number 8, before and afters, show definite improvement in the look of her pores. In addition, firmness, smoothness, softness, and brightness were all visibly increased. Not only did the clinical expert observe improvements, the study participants themselves agree. They too saw similar improvements. In fact, at the conclusion of the study, 85% of the study participants said that their skin looks and feels plumper with more bounce. Furthermore, 88% agreed that the system leaves their skin radiant and hydrated throughout the day. 88% also say their skin looks and feels energized and healthier. And 91% say that the system helps to boost their daily beauty routine. So there's no doubt that the clinical results prove that ageLOC Boost can visibly improve the skin. Very impressive indeed. If you are looking for an easy way to make positive changes in your skin appearance, then you definitely want to add ageLOC Boost to your daily skincare routine. Just 2 minutes a day will give you a true beauty boost.